Yo, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of KJD Investor. It's yours truly, KJ. And without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into the portfolio. As you see right now on the screen, it's snowing. Represents supposed to be December 25th. So for any of y'all that celebrate on the holidays and stuff, Merry Christmas. All right, the traditional IRA account, we're looking at $43,720.12. Was another great day in the stock market, man. As a matter of fact, it's been another great year in the stock market. This whole entire year, 2024. I told you guys back in February, March, whenever we started investing pretty strong and regularly, that this was going to be a year to remember. So that's exactly what's going on. Right now, the buying power looking pretty good, $12,461.60. That money is on the sidelines, but I'm ready to deploy into anything and everything that I see when I see the price kind of presents itself. That's what I've been doing. As you see, total contribution of 2024 is $441. I get the 3% IRA match with 13.23. But anyway, let's kick it out with a bang. NVIDIA sitting at $139.78. This stock did reach today at least $141, almost $142. 141.90 on today was the high. NVIDIA also getting ready to pay out a dividend. As you see, it's 1 cent per share. So I got 150 shares in this portfolio position. So it's going to be $1.50. I got 150 shares. Market value is $20,966.98. The average cost is $109.98. And my total return is $4,469.64. That's a 27.09% return in NVIDIA. Year to date, NVIDIA has been doing crazy numbers. 183.85% ROI. I told you, man, a great investment, a great stock to put money into, something that's going to multiply your income while you sleep, something that's going to give you that 7 to 8, 9, 10% return. NVIDIA is, like I said, it's giving 183% return this year. Next up on my list, I want to talk about is Costco. Costco's sitting at $958.82. The stock's been doing pretty good all day on a common trajectory upwards. I got 1 share of Costco, $958.82 is the average cost. Market value. I'm sorry. My average cost is $954.79. So I'm up $4.03 in the position, or 0.42%. This is a very new position for me, guys. I just purchased Costco, a whole share of Costco for the first time within this past week. So very new position. But Costco, I've heard nothing but good things about it. And even when I researched the company, I don't read nothing but good things about it. It's been like I said, it's been on a upward trajectory since I've seen it or talked about it. Next, I want to talk about MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy is sitting at $357 today, kind of even. It was up all day during market hours. And then in the after hours, it came down just a slight little bit. Right now, look at this. MicroStrategy up 415.53%. Oh, my word. That's such a mega jump, guys. I had to look at it 2 times. I got 3 shares of MicroStrategy. Market value is $1,071. Average cost was $307.78. Total return, $147.66, or a 15.99% return on investment. I know you guys probably thinking, well, KJ, you got all that money in the buying power. When it was $307, why didn't you purchase more then? Well, guys, I did what I could do at the time where I could do it. And I knew that the company was trading at a very large, deep discount back when it was at 307. And I knew that it would eventually recover and bounce back like it has today. But I bought the shares that I bought, trying to be cautious, trying not to time the market, and I'm just trying to be in the market. Don't worry, more shares of time As time goes on, more shares will accumulate. That's my plan. Next, we got FTEC. It's the Fidelity Information Technology ETF, sitting at $191. It's been up today as well. I got 14 shares of FTEC in this particular portfolio. Market value is $2,689.90. Average cost is $171.92. Total return is $268.70, or an 11.10% return on increase. So another very high growth ETF, FTEC. Next up, we got AMD sitting at $126.33. AMD just a few days ago was trading at a low of 120, and that's where I bought. As you see, I got 10 shares. Market value is $1,263.30. Average cost is $120.38. Total return $59.50, or 4.94%. This stock has been doing extremely well. AMD is not as great as NVIDIA, but that's because there's no other company on earth that can catch NVIDIA right now. But AMD is a real close second. Year to date, AMD is actually down 12.44%. It's been a real good time to buy because I'm going to be very optimistic about the stock. I'm going to be very optimistic that, that we'll have great things in store for AMD as time goes on. Next up, we have SPLG. SPLG is my portfolio S&P 500 ETF, sitting at $70.98 right now. In this particular portfolio, I have 60.70 shares of SPLG. Market value is $4,308.52. Average cost is $66.62. Total returns is $264.52, or a 6.54% increase. SPLG has been doing this thing. Year to date is up 27.82%. Another big growth in the ETF space. Here we are. The investing account sitting at $60,981.38. It's been doing pretty good all day as well. A little choppy, but it's okay. Buying power sitting at $554.68. We have cash earning interest, $559.68. We got cryptos coming out the wazoo. Ethereum was up $34.91, which we bought that back at $3,100. So we got a small increase right there. Bitcoin is up to $98,199. We bought Bitcoin back at the $97,000 mark. So we've in the positive finally with the Bitcoin. Don't worry, guys. I'm finally tiptoeing around in cryptocurrencies. For some of y'all who's always been wondering why I never got involved with cryptocurrencies, it's just because I've never really seen it as a asset class that could get people wealthy or well off. But it sure has paid its dues to some. Okay, next, stocks and ETFs. What I'm looking at in the investing account, we got stocks like Walmart. Walmart's in at $92.50. Had an awesome day today. Walmart's getting ready to pay out that dividend January the 6th. I got 109.09 shares of Walmart. Market value is $10,091.27. Average cost is $57.34. Total return right now is $3,835.72, or a 61.32% return on investment. Guys, I got a quick question for you. I want you guys to let me know down in the comments below, what number percentage-wise do you gotta make, or how much increase do your portfolio have to do in order for you to take shares or take profits, from your investment? Not just take it and go spend it, but take the profit and put it back into the buying power, and use it when you're ready to buy more shares of something else. How do you know when you're ready to do that? Answer that in the comments below. Over here, we got SCHD. It's the dividend king in my portfolio. Equity ETF, $27.57. SCHD been climbing all day. I got 237 shares of SCHD. Market value is $6,558.58. We got average cost of $26.30. Total return $302 $4.26 or a 4.83% return. SCHD, like I said, is the king of the dividends in my portfolio ETF. Now we got here SPLG again, sitting at $7.98. But I have 200 shares here. This is my foundational ETF. This is what the whole portfolio kind of hinges on. Market value is $14,245.25. Average cost $63.35. Total return $1,530.59, or a 12.04% increase. Everything like that, guys, is you're getting rich. You're getting closer. Anything over 8%, we're getting to our wealth. That now, my next ETF I want to talk about is FTEC. That's the Fidelity Information Technology ETF, sitting at $191 even. It's been going up all day until the end. It did come down just a little bit in the dip, but that's to be associated with it. I have 5.33 shares of FTEC over here. Market value is $1,019.25. Average cost is $156.09. And total return is $186.29, or a 22.37% increase. Let's look at the year-to-date. Year-to-date, FTEC has done 34.93% increase on the dollar. That's amazing growth, guys. Amazing things are happening. Guys, as you know, I still got my Walmart shares, my Google, Alphabet, Class A and C. I got my Amazon, Microsoft, Coca-Cola, Starbucks, Meta. Meta has just been a growth machine. And, Serve Robotics. Serve Robotics is sitting at $14.42. It's trading at a discount right now. I have 10 shares of Serve Robotics. Market value is $144.20. Average cost was $8.67. And right now, total return is $57.50 and 66.32% return. Once again, how do you guys know how much of a percentage you got to have over in order to take profits from a portfolio? And guys, that's it for now. Like I said, you see the portfolio sitting at $60,981.52. You got the traditional IRA sitting at $43,720 right now. And then total, we got $104,701.64 in return. So, guys, I also have another $7,900 sitting in the Fidelity investment account as well, currently growing, just like the investment account over here is currently growing. Well, guys, if you got any kind of comments, question, concern, please put it down in the comment box below. I've enjoyed this episode. Until next time, this is KJD Investor, over and out. Peace.